Welcome to the introduction on our module on becoming a business application solution architect. In this module, we'll focus on some of the technology and soft skills that you need to be an effective solution architect. The solution architect is a key member of the overall project team. The solution architect is responsible for leading the successful implementation by focusing on how the solution addresses the broader business and technical needs of the organization. Similar to the project manager, they will work closely with many of the teams working to deliver the solution. In large organizations, the solution architect will likely work with enterprise architects that focus on the bigger picture. Often the solution architect will rely on the enterprise architect to ensure the solution being architected fits within the broader organization plans. A solution architect should have functional and technical knowledge of Dynamics 365 apps, the Power Platform, and related Microsoft Cloud solutions, as well as common third-party technologies. A key task of the solution architect is solution envisioning. Essentially, this involves looking at the problem, identifying which parts can be leveraged using one of the Dynamics 365 apps, and which parts need to be built by leveraging the Power Platform or Microsoft Azure. When one of the existing apps doesn't fully meet the business needs, the Power Platform components can be used to fill the gaps, leveraging the same low-code capabilities used to build the Dynamics 365 apps, but able to be completely tailored for the custom requirements. And finally, Microsoft Azure services can be leveraged to further extend handling any requirements that need direct access to the low-level Azure services. Traditionally, a development-focused architect would have started with custom development and low-level Microsoft Azure services. A business application-focused solution architect instead starts with the Dynamics 365 apps and the Power Platform and uses Microsoft Azure to address any gaps. A solution architect should be comfortable composing a solution using the full Microsoft stack from apps to Azure services, balancing the business and technical requirements of the problem being solved. In addition to their functional and technical skills, there are several soft skills that a solution architect needs to be good at to be successful. In this module, we will explore some of the key ones and how they apply to the projects you might engage in. Those aspiring to be a business application solution architect should spend time on projects observing how the project solution architect engages with not only the technical teams, but the customer as well. The best solution architects learn from blending experiences from many projects along with lessons learned from not only the successes, but the failures as well. A solution architect's day-to-day role on a customer project will vary greatly based on the size, approach, and phase of the project. In this module, we will explore some of the common project activities a solution architect will either be responsible for or at a minimum participate in. Because different teams use different implementation methodologies, the discussion here will focus without regard to the specific implementation methodology. While there is no single blueprint for what makes a great business application solution architecture, there are a number of concepts that will apply regardless of the unique customer challenge you are trying to solve. While this is not a complete list, focusing on these concepts will help you build a better overall solution architecture. We will dive deeper into these in the rest of the module. Let's get started.